How to use Google Authenticator. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Google Authenticator. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let us get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your App Store. So after you open up your App Store, simply search for Google Authenticator. Now, you'll only have to do this if you don't have the app already. Now, after you do this, this is the app that you want to install. So after you install it, simply open it up. Now here you will need to log in with your Google account. And after you do that, all you now need to do is add a code. To add a code, simply tap on add a code, and from here you'll see two options. One is you can either scan a QR or enter a setup key. So I'll just use enter a setup key for now. And here what you can do is enter your account name. Now enter your account name. So let's say I'm just gonna add my Facebook. So I'll just add my Facebook's username or my email here and the key. Now the key will be provided to you by your Facebook. Now whichever app or whichever software that you want to add your Google Authenticator to, you'll just have to get the key from that very app. So after you get the key, simply add it here, and here you'll see type of key. Now if it is a time-based key, you can simply choose that, or if you want a counter-based key, you can add that. After you do that, simply tap on add, and then it's basically good to go. So I'm just going to add something random here, and it's basically good to go. Now using a QR code to scan is a lot easier. All you have to do is scan the QR code, and then your Google Authenticator will automatically set it up for you. And yeah, that is basically how you use Google Authenticator, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.